Hello. Today, let's talk about the Lime Riders. Here we are. The Lime e-scooter are standing all over the edges in your city, of course, or other e-scooters too, of course. We can discover where the next free e-scooter is to share for us or to rent while we are using the app of, in this case, Lime. If we see the e-scooter near me, then we can navigate to it, and of course we can say we like to use that thing. We download the Lime app to find a vehicle. And after this, we go to the vehicle. And then we have to start with the interaction with the e-scooter. Next step is we pair the devices, the app with the smartphone, and the e-scooter each other. For this, we scan the QR code on the vehicle to unlock it. Easy peasy. And of course, now we have to pay a deposit. This deposit we will get back after the ride. And now we can start driving. First step is we using this kickstand. We sweep up the kickstand with our foot before riding, of course. We have a throttle lever on the right side. With this, we can make the fast forward move. We ensure that the throttle springs back after we press and we release it. Because if we press it, then the e-scooter will accelerate. Ooh, that's cool, isn't it? The vehicle needs to be moving for the throttle to engage the motor, of course. We can use it by our foot. As you can see, we can push forward, but the best way is, of course, the electronic acceleration by using the throttle easily. Because if we are getting movement, we can use the throttle. But take care, not on every area it is allowed to drive an e-scooter. If you come in a forbidden area, the e-scooter will stop automatically. And then you have to go outside of the forbidden area, which you can see in the app, and then you're back on the road and you can accelerate so much you like. A scooter sharing system is a shared transport service in which electric motorized scooters, such as e-scooters, are made available to use for short-term rentals. The e-scooters are typical dockless, meaning that they do not have a fixed home location and are dropped off and picked up from certain locations in the service areas. The scooter sharing system works towards providing the public with a fast and convenient mode of transport for the last mile mobility in urban areas. Due to the growing popularity of the scooter sharing, municipal governments have enforced regulations on e-scooter to increase riders and pedestrian safety while avoiding the accrual of visual pollution. Scooter sharing systems are one of the last expensive and most popular micromobility options. If you finished your ride, you can stop the vehicle by using the left lever, the brake lever, to stop it. Yeah. And then, if you finish your ride, you can let it where you like. But it is forbidden to get this, let this in forbidden areas, of course. There should be no streets, there should be no pedestrians areas, and of course no cars in the area which you parked your vehicle. After this, you take a photo of it where you left it, and then of course you have to pay for the ride. In my case here, it was around about 1 hour of driving, and it was $10 approximately. It is a nice scooter sharing system here, and it is easy to use, as you can see. After this, you can let this scooter there and go your way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.